We saw at the Blueberry Festival up in Lake George.
Yep.
And we about to hit the car show. Look at all these puppies. Yeah, buddy. Got some hogs out. Yeah. Look at that old Corvette. Good job, Hopi.
Could use a little TLC on this one.
Yeah.
Because that hole here.
Yeah, she need to be washed up a little bit and cleaned up. Get some work to her. Car show's a little different when you're in the rural area compared to cities.
Uh-huh.
Look at these. Look at that.
Where are y'all going? Stay by people.
It's a nice turnout.
Help, where
Considering
you
the population of Lake George ain't too
Yeah.
big, it's a nice turnout. You guys gotta stay by us.
Go this way. Turn it around.
These engines are no longer made at all.
Well, none of these engines are no longer made.
Grab the cart.
If you're gonna pull cart, you gotta pull the cart.
Don't touch it.
This one's nice. It got a Snickers in there. Charger.
It's gorgeous.
They're free now.
It's crazy that
Get the New Yorker.
that the Dodge Chargers look like this, and now the Dodge Chargers look like something.
What happened to
What? You don't want to pull this no more?
What happened to cars looking like this? Like if we're on to all electric,
Yeah.
why can't we bring this back? You know what I mean?
Like actual looks to them?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Can someone else pull this, please?
Me.
Find them eventually.
I definitely.
Okay.
Baby,
You meant wait.
I'd be okay with getting a Cobra.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm with you there.
You know how much those,
427 Cobra.
Oh my god.
you know how much those are? They-
That's a date night car.
Just beautiful. Look at that puppy. Beautiful. You know what? This is what Nikki's been looking at wanting to get as a Bronco. I don't know why. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Some people swear by them like
4x8 log shed.
this.
Oh, we can get a raffle and get a log shed.
Look at that. Look at that. I'd whip that, man. Ooh, that's a pretty.
Oh, look at the license plate.
That thing is pretty. What is that?
It's a Japan car. As you look,
I don't even know what it is.
look at where the steering wheel is.
Yeah, I see that.
White Earth Ojibwe. His breast plates. In the back.
He got himself a GT custom.
Yeah.
Something from Japan.
Hey,
It's super cute, isn't it? You like that? Little James Bond action.
Got himself a Fast and the Furious car or something. I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah. Oh, that thing pretty. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
I don't think that's Japanese leather. I don't think that's
It's tiring.
Yep, fairs can be tiring. It's a lot of work, a lot of walking, a lot of outside, but they're a lot of fun too. Well, there's definitely Asian characters.
Yep.
Japanese, Chinese, who knows? Mandarin. Oh man, my daddy had, well, you gotta walk. My daddy had a truck like this.
Can we just go over there?
Well, when we're done walking through this, we'll walk back towards mommy, okay?
It's not used as much anymore. It is a combination of hiragana and katakana. Okay. Which are two different writing languages in Japanese.
Well, look at this one. It's yellow.
I don't like that color.
Oh yeah, all white boys love Firebirds and Trans Ams. They got spiders on it.
Can I have a piggyback? Can I have a piggyback?
No, not right now. Maybe on the way back. No, not right now, honey. I'm recording a video. I'll piggyback on the way back, okay, honey?
Yep.
Huh.
Remind you, this is what Chevy Impalas used to look like.
I love Impalas. Just beautiful.
92.
Beautiful. White wall. What are you pulling on me for? Stop, don't touch. Oh, I know. You're hot and you're cranky. But when we're done with the car show, we'll walk back. I'll put you on my shoulders and we can walk back, okay? It's old Thunderbird. I know, honey. I know you're hot and you get tired. Look at that.
Oh, really? We didn't see it.
Beautiful.
Nice, but my sister,
Where's the cart? Go get the cart now.
Where's the cart? Dad! Where's the cart?
That's what I just said, fool. They asked me the same question I just said too. Like, irritated he didn't do it. The other guy's handle ain't working right. Look at this one. This one's beautiful. And I love yellow. Not a lot of people love yellow. I love yellow.
I'm tired.
I know you're tired. So is Daddy, if that means anything. Daddy tired too. Look at that hot rod. Yeah, buddy.
So you could tell they rebuilt this engine.
All hot rods, a bunch of rebuilding.
Well, because if you look right there, carbs leaking.
Hi, Poachy. So pretty.
Yeah.
I love the Thunderbird.
Got a couple more back here, and then we'll go. Yeah. There's a big park over there. You guys want to go play in the park?
Yes.
Hopi?
No.
She's just tired, want to go home.
I'm not. I want to go.
Look at this one. Oh, that one for sale. Come on, E. We just got a couple more. Come on, boys. Look at that. Oh, that's old school. Look at them white walls. This is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is a beautiful car. Come on, Hopi. Come on. Get my Annie. Almost done. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Don't touch. Look at that Impala. Look at Beastie. Yeah, buddy. Here's the last of them, and then we can go home, okay? Turn around, look at those ones. Yeah, it depends. Everybody has to be in agreement. I know you want to go to the park, but hope he's not feeling good. Oldsmobile, 1969. Yeah. Olds Classic. My uncle had one. Caprice. Chevrolet. No, not yet. I love these Corvettes.
Where was Donkey?
They're over there.
What?
They're over there.
Is that Daddy?
They're still looking at the cars.
Auntie?
Yeah. Auntie. Auntie and Big Sissy and Austin.
No, where's Donkey?
You don't see them over there?
I want to.
That's a color you don't see.
Daddy,
What?
I want to go.
Okay, where are they? Do you see them? Look
Me
at,
too. I see them.
where are they?
So green.
Okay, that's it for the cars. Do another video later. All right, y'all.